Hi, this is Theresa here at Firkins Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Bradenton, Florida. Just took in this 2013 Dodge Journey. This is a SE trim level. It does have the nice alloy wheels, white in color, very nice vehicle. This does have power windows, power locks, and window locks. There's your headlight controls. It does have Bluetooth, voice recognition, cruise control. Very nice vehicle. It's got the 5-inch radio screen, light tan interior. It is a 5-passenger vehicle, lots of room in the back, and the seats do lay down, so you'll have plenty of storage in the back end of this vehicle. This vehicle only has 88,790 miles on it. If you want more information and pricing, please call Theresa here at Firkins. You can reach me at 941-807-1165. You'll only find it here at Firkins.